Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be cleaning some baseboards. Now I know it doesn't sound like much fun, but hopefully using these products and these little few steps, it makes it a little bit more easier and somewhat fun. So let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, all you'll need is a magic eraser. I usually cut my magic eraser into different sections and little pieces just to save money and make it a little bit easier. And then we'll also need like an extra cleaner, like a multi-purpose cleaner, and a little duster and a little cloth. Alright, so as you can tell, the first step was to use the duster and just dust off majority of the dust that you already see. And then you take the multi-purpose cleaner and just wipe it down with the rag. And then what I'm doing here is taking some fabric sheets, little dryer sheets, and all I'm doing is just coating the area and the baseboard so it repels dust for the future. So that's pretty much it, and if you have any spots on your baseboards, you just go in with that magic eraser, dip it in some water, and you'll be done. So I hope I made this a little bit more enjoyable, and I hope you guys use these tips and tricks in the future. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video, and I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching.
Ooh, thought it was in my head.